Hi, my name is Alan Diwan. I'm the owner and chef of Kashmir Indian Restaurant Budapest in Aranya Shutsa, and we are here on the behalf of Expat Village. The dish that we're going to prepare now, it's a biryani. Make sure the rice is completely covering the chicken. Before we steam this, we're going to slightly garnish our biryani. First, we're going to add a little, 1 or 2 knobs of butter, so that it gives a nice aroma and a nice flavor. If you're watching your diet, then you can leave out the butter, but it does give it a very heavenly taste. The next thing that we're going to add is we have some saffron, which has been infused into warm milk, and we're going to spread this warm milk over the rice, which is going to give it another nice color, and also it's going to enhance the flavor of the biryani.